it's Jonathan. Welcome back to Palatable Provisions. So excited to spend time with you this beautiful afternoon. I hope it's beautiful where you are. Today, we're going to be doing our take on soup and salad. Now, you might be thinking, soup and salad, who wants hot soup when it's getting warm and it's almost summertime? Well, the answer to that, my friends, is we're actually gonna have a cold soup. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make gazpacho. Now, gazpacho is a tomato-based soup that is served cold with chunks of cucumber and pepper served right in it. It is absolutely one of my favorite soups, surprisingly, since tomatoes are not one of my favorite foods. However, it is so delicious. We're gonna do some special techniques, use our food processor, and let's go ahead and go over our ingredients. To start our summer gazpacho, first we're going to use the ingredients for the soup base. 1 pound of ripe tomatoes, peeled, seeded, and chopped. 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper, plus 1/4 cup sherry vinegar, 3/4 cup of olive oil, and 1.5 cups of tomato juice. For the rest of the ingredients for our summer gazpacho, we'll need 1/2 of a hothouse cucumber, which is about 8 ounces, coarsely chopped, and total 1 bell pepper. You can choose whichever colors you want, seeded and coarsely chopped, 1 large tomato, coarsely chopped, 2 green onions, chopped, 3 tablespoons of fresh parsley, or you could use fresh cilantro, and then of course, croutons for serving. Adjust the seasonings now or before you serve, which I probably will do before I serve. So I'm going to get this in the refrigerator and chill it covered for at least 4 to 6 hours before serving. And I would probably say that it would last a couple of days in there. So you can make this in advance. So while this is chilling, I'm gonna go chill outside in the sun. For the salad portion of our soup and salad, we're going to be making our version of a taco salad. So before we talk about the taco part of it, let's go ahead and make our dressing. The ingredients for the dressing for our taco salad are 3 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of a Dijon-style mustard, 2 tablespoons of buttermilk, 2/3 cup vegetable oil, 1 small garlic clove, and you'll want to mince that, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. To make the taco salad, you first want to choose your protein of choice. We went ahead and chose ground beef. A cup of corn kernels, you could use fresh, frozen, or canned. 1 cup of cooked or canned kidney beans. 1 tablespoon of fresh cilantro, plus a few more leaves for garnish. 1 small head of romaine lettuce. 3 tomatoes quartered. 2 cups of shredded Monterey Jack or cheddar cheese. 1 avocado. 1/3 of a cup of pitted black olives sliced. 4 green onions chopped. And of course, tortilla chips for serving. Now on to the taco part of the taco salad. What I love about this recipe is that you could make taco meat, fresh ground beef with some spices, red onion, some red pepper, cayenne pepper, or you could use leftover ground beef, or you could use chicken, or say you had fajita meat leftover, kind of anything goes. So I went ahead and I've got some ground beef, which has some cayenne pepper, red pepper flakes, salt, and red onion in it. And in there, I'm going to put my garbanzo beans, my kidney beans, my corn that I roasted on the grill, and my parsley. Now you could also choose to use cilantro instead. I decided to use parsley, and then I'm just going to mix this all together, and then once this is all mixed together, we can move on to building our salad. And now we'll go ahead and we'll build our salad. So we're gonna take our meat mixture and we're just going to mound some on top of a bed of dressed greens. So we use the dressing that we previously made, and we'll mound our meat mixture. We're gonna place yummy quartered tomatoes. We're going to sprinkle the top with our cheese, some black olives, green onion, and of course, some of our avocado. We're gonna top off the side with some tortilla chips. So that way our diner can either use these as their fork. And there you have it. The salad part of our soup and salad. And there you have it, everyone, our version of soup and salad with our modified taco salad and our chilled gazpacho. So great for this upcoming summer weather that we're going to have. Goes great with a nice cold beer or a White Claw or even some nice rosé. Bon appetit, everyone. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.